It didn't have to be this way. You left me no choice. But the only way to understand how we got here is to start from the beginning.
Nice try, Jimin.
You left Jimin hanging. I couldn't let that stand. So for the next few years, I gathered a team of supernaturally talented individuals with just one goal. To mess with Jimmy Fallon. I only needed one more prank, which we set up years ago.
Before BTS existed, what did you want to be?
Saxophonist.
Saxophonist?
Here you go. Hey, thank you.
There's only one more thing to say. BTS! Assemble.
We can do this the easy way.
Or the hard way. The easy way.
Yeah, smart move. We just wanted to make it right.
Yeah, make it right, Jimmy.
Hey Jimmy.